Okay, today we're out here in 717 area. We're going to chase down some dirt bikers and run them off the trail. That's the goal. I'm being mean. 50 inch. If you fit. Yes. A little different in the side-by-side. That back end was everywhere. Yep. Ooh. Oh, God.
Good play. Don't spend the money on a hardtop.
Why?
We just knocked the roll cage with the...
Yeah.
Or the free with the roll cage.
But what would it matter if it's a hardtop?
Bracket.
Oh. Oh God, whoops. You need longer suspension.
I won't hurt you.
You got it. Maybe. Holy cow. Hey. Okay, officially stuck in a side-by-side. Maybe. Back. There we go. Woohoo! Wow, this is really washed out.
Yep.
I wish we were on the bikes.
Good challenge on the way up.
Yeah. Big bike, break truck friendly. You got it. Oh, fun. You're gonna have to try to stay at...
Straddle it?
Yeah. Well, either straddle that or straddle up that and then turn in.
I think it's
once you're halfway.
Sorry, we're stopped dead on that one.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! I see ground. Holy cow. Yeah, we're tipped up pretty good. This is sitting normal.
Keep getting high centered on your side there.
Yeah. I still think you could do there if you straddle up. It's because of that rock. Well, it's no joke. Yeah, I think if you put my tire on this and straddle up, it will keep it pretty much even up till that bump. But once you get one tire over, aim for the root up there, for my side.
Almost.
Almost. Straight back, otherwise we're gonna... Don't turn any more this way. It's like, ah.
Keep high centering.
Go. Well, okay, that's probably...
Hey, this is what I bought this thing for.
This is much better than being on the bike and sliding around. Richard's Corner.
Oh yeah, that one.
The fun part. Oh, that wasn't bad.
Which way to go?
I don't know, too much traffic that way. Let's go that way. Nope. Dang, that's a tree. Well, at least we have a good view.
Yeah. Water crossing?
Yeah. Yeah, be real easy on the bike just to ride up. Not that I'll ever remember where this is. 364 somewhere.
363.
Oh yeah, we turned.
Well,
Yeah.
it took a while to get here, but yeah, we got stuck the one.
Yeah, coming up right here, yeah, I know. I remember. It was too deep. I think that was...
Didn't have a lid.
Nope.
Seems like there's a lot more room through here when you're on a dirt bike.
Yeah, I don't remember it being so tight. Oh, it took the front out.
Huh?
Took the front.
Oops. I think it was that way.
Yeah, it's that way. Whoa!
Good point.
That was close. I thought you were gonna hit it.
That wouldn't have been fun.
I was like, oh shit, we're hitting it.
Note to self, 717A, not very UTV friendly.
Yeah, it's not side-by-side friendly. Get the... But it's fun. We'll get scratches.
Yeah.
Body damage may occur.
Will. Body damage will occur.
Whee! Ice. Chunky. Icy. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's tight. Look at that poor tree.
It's been hit once or twice.
Yeah. There you go.
Like that.
That's tight. You might get a few scrapes on this trail.
Oh, I got a few.
Oh, you bitch.
That's a little deeper than I thought.
Yeah, it was frozen earlier.